Okay, so today we are going to go into looking at the Meta Business Suite and how you can use that to better leverage your Facebook and Instagram accounts, to better leverage your time, and lastly, to capitalize on all the information, the data and analytics provided to you by Meta Business Suite so you can make better informed decisions about your social media and improve your engagement and sales. So let's get into it. When you're on your Facebook page, we created this one in the video before this. What you want to then go to is on the side dashboard, you want to click on Meta Business Suite. This will open up a new tab. And once this is open, what you will then see is the platform for the Meta Business Suite, where it will allow you now to look at creating a post, creating your ads if you're wanting to run ads for Facebook or Instagram, creating reels, stories, and more. So you can go live from here. You can post videos across your pages as well. So this is where all of that is done. What we want to first look at here is connecting your Instagram account. So if you've already created your Instagram account for your business, then this is the time where you would connect both the Facebook and Instagram account. You might ask, well, why would we want to do this? Well, this gives you the benefit of using the Meta Business Suite to schedule your content using the content planner onto both Instagram and Facebook at once. You might have one post that you want to go out on both. You can also, I will show you in the next video, how to create content and edit it for each of the platforms, but share it to both. Say you want the same image, but the caption you want it to be different. So you have that ability to tweak all of that within your content planner using Meta Business Suite. And this is going to save you a lot of time and energy. So let's go ahead and click Connect Instagram. Once you open this, it will give you a bit of information about what that means and what tasks you will be able to use both on Instagram and Facebook. So your content and your ads, your messages and comments are all going to be in the Meta Business Suite, both Instagram and Facebook. Insights for both of the accounts will be here. Settings and permissions will also be available. So let's go ahead and click Connect. And then this is going to say, choose Instagram message settings. So allow access to Instagram messages in inbox. So this will mean that you can have all your messages go into the Meta Business Suite and you can access it from the one central place instead of opening up Instagram and going to direct messages via that, and the same for Facebook. This is optional. You can choose to do this or not. It's really up to you. I'm going to click that yes for that. And then this is going to load to Instagram. Okay, so now you would log into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, it'll ask you if you want to save your details for login. I'm going to choose not now for this. And it's going to say log into Meta Business Suite using your Instagram account. So I'm going to log in as marketingforwomeninbiz.au, which is the Instagram account that's going to link to this. And if you have multiple Instagram accounts or multiple Facebook accounts, you might see a list of those come up at this stage. So just choose the one that you want to link this Facebook account to. And there you'll see that now your business Facebook page and your Instagram business professional account are both linked, and you click done. That will refresh the page and you will now see both of them there. So it'll just tell you what you've done. You've connected both your Facebook and Instagram account. And now you have access to both. What we then want to have a quick look at is the planning that's available for your Instagram and Facebook. So as I said before, you're able to schedule your posts here to both of Facebook and Instagram. When you click on the planner on the left-hand dashboard, you will come up with the month or weekly view of the calendar, and you can click on either one to see which posts you've got scheduled here, or if you've got nothing, like this is empty at the moment, then there won't be anything showing. But this gives you a great way to easily access both Instagram and Facebook, schedule your posts, and it's free, which is fantastic. It also means that without using a third party scheduler, say like Canva, for example, all your analytics are here and you get better data from that. So Facebook will always prioritize, or Meta Business Suite will always prioritize you using one of their services for scheduling versus a third party. So that's also something to consider. And as I said, it's free. So I always like to find ways that we can save money in our business, especially if we're new. So let's go ahead and create a post. So if we click on the plus sign, it will give you the option of what you want to create: posts, stories, reel, or an ad. And let's just go schedule a post as an example, because what I want to show you here is the ability for you to be able to create that post for both Instagram and Facebook. What it will give you is the option of scheduling this at different times. So say for Instagram, we want this to go out at 9 o'clock in the morning and 10 o'clock on Facebook. Click save. And then on the left-hand side, you will see that it's going to go to both. It will ask you to add some content. So you want to add a photo. And so I'm just adding an image here. What you then get the option is of choosing here to customize the post for Facebook and Instagram. If you select that, you can write different captions for both Facebook and Instagram. So I've toggled that to yes, and therefore you'll see Facebook is highlighted here. And so I've got a little caption here for this post that's going to go to Facebook. I am not going to put any hashtags for Facebook. For Instagram, what we can do is click on Instagram, and then it's going to show you what that'll look like on Instagram. And for Instagram, you might want to add a few hashtags that are relevant to your business. There we go. So we've got a couple there. And when you're typing in your hashtags here, you'll start to see that it has a list of different hashtags that come up. So you can choose the one that's relevant to you. Then all you need to do is click schedule and you're done. So that's as easy as it is to start scheduling your posts on Facebook and Instagram using the Meta Business Suite. The last thing that I want to show you on here is your insights. And so here you get to see your last week in review. For example, you can now see the activity. Obviously, with these two accounts, they're brand new, so there's no activity at this stage. But this is where you would see all of that data. You can click on View All Insights, and it will give you a larger overview of what's happening in terms of interactions, followers, link clicks, and you would have messages here as well. And it would then give you also the ability to click on Instagram and give you more information here too. So this is really useful and really important as you're starting with your social media to come to this at least once a fortnight, once a month at the most. Come back regularly because this will allow you to start seeing which of your posts are working and which are not. What could you be changing? Do people love seeing reels and videos versus static posts on your page? Are people engaging at a specific time of the day? As you start building content out here over the coming months, you will also have analytics that will show you the audience. So it will start breaking down if you have more male, female, and also the age demographics. So all of this information is going to help you to start connecting with your audience a lot more. So if you click on audience, this is where you're going to see those details about age, gender, where they may be based, so that you can start using specific hashtags for all of this to get more in front of those people and talk from a place that suits this audience that you're building up to, making sure that this is the audience that you really want to be working with and understanding more in depth about your ideal client. So a lot of information that this is going to share with you, definitely use it because this is important when you're tracking your business and wanting to grow the business. Without this, when you don't do this, the biggest problem that I see with clients is that they get flustered, they get overwhelmed, and they feel like they're not going anywhere. They're going in circles, actually, because they don't understand what is actually working for them and what isn't. Set aside 15 minutes every fortnight to just look at these analytics, start a spreadsheet, and start working on understanding what this can do to improve your business. There you have it. And on to the next video.